Meaning of déjà vu.
Déjà vu.
Déjà vu.
Déjà vu.
Déjà vu. Déjà vu is a French term that means already seen. It refers to a feeling of familiarity or sensation that one has experienced something before, even though it is the first time encountering it. The experience can range from momentary to prolonged and often evokes a strong sense of eeriness or confusion. Some scientific explanations suggest that déjà vu may occur due to an overlap between memory processing and perception in the brain. However, the exact cause of this phenomenon is still unknown and remains a topic of interest among researchers.